Hey guys, it's Glamorous TT here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my new Versa Fitbit. Stay tuned, watch the video. Hope you like and enjoy. So basically right here, I'm unboxing the box. And one thing about me is I love a good packaging. Like, to me, packaging is not more important than the product, but it just shows a lot. It shows a lot. Packaging shows a lot. And I just love how they have it packaged. So based on the looks, it can be very deceiving as far as if I put it on. I've had a lot of people ask me, hey, is that an Apple Watch? You know, what is that? What is that, a smartwatch? And, you know, I tell them it's a Fitbit, and, you know, they're completely shocked. Some people actually don't even know what a Fitbit is, but hey. The Fitbit that I got was the rose gold with a pink band. And I really appreciate the fact that they gave me an extra band in case my wrist was too big, instead of having to purchase a next band. Right here is basically the charging port. Like I said previously, the watch itself is something that could be compared to an Apple Watch, but I myself do not own a Apple Watch, so I'm just basing it on what I see on other people. This is me actually trying on the watch just to make sure that I don't need to level up to the large band, but pretty much it looks very cute and it's very light. The only thing that I would say is the band itself, it kind of brings heat, so I would rather prefer it be like a material knit or fabric kind of band. Sorry guys if I keep stuttering or mispronouncing words, I am so sorry. But other than that, I love the sleekness of it. I have the clock on default, so I can just tap it and it will show me my heart rate as well as my steps and the calories burnt. You can choose different clocks if you want to, but I just like this because it's very simple and it gets to the point. The right upper button, it directs me to the different exercises that I can log in, which is pretty cool. The bottom button directs me to the alarms, which if you have it on high vibrate and you sleep with your watch, it will notify you. These apps right here are the default apps. You can always go to the App Store on your phone and purchase apps. If you swipe up, you can get a more in-depth on your walks, your calories burnt, heart rate, as well as your sleeping. Don't mind my heart rate. I know my stuff is poor, but your girl is going to be using this watch to step up, you know? The whole reason I got this watch is not for style. I am actually using it to get back up on my fitness journey. Whenever you want to go back, you just press the button on the left side and it will take you to the home page. I have a coach app where you can get coach exercises anywhere, as well as music. The music, you can download it from your iTunes, or you can get Pandora, which you have to be paying for the subscription. One thing that I do love about this watch is the Relax app, which it has a 2-minute breathing session where you can take deep breaths, kind of meditate and, you know, try to relax. I try to do this once a day when I am trying to just relax my body, and I feel like this is very important and a very special app to have on your watch. You also have a timer, which I'm gonna be honest, I never use a timer or a countdown thing on my watch. So oh my gosh, y'all hear my chickens? But anyway, you can also do the weather on your watch. I don't have my locations on, but yeah, I think that's a very good thing for you guys to have, especially if you are going to be running outside. And also when you do raise your hand up, it does come on automatically. Going on my Fitbit app, which I've already set up all my information in, just to give you an overview on what goes on here. Excuse my chicken again. But basically you can keep track of your female health. You can log in water. You can, everything that you have on your watch, it should show you on your Fitbit. The only thing that's different is it's like a social network on here. You can go, oh my gosh, you can join groups. You can do challenges. You can add friends. You can be more in tune with the community, especially the Fitbit fitness community. And I feel like this is very important because it does motivate you. One thing that I forgot to say in the beginning of the video is that these steps are not the most accurate. When I first had got the watch, I walked around the house for about like 5 minutes and I accumulated some steps. But as I got in the car and I reached to my designated area, I noticed that my steps were like in the thousands, and I know I didn't make that much steps in that amount of time. So one thing I would like them to do is, if they can see like that you're in a car or, you know, something is not right, you know, just try to fix that. That's something that really needs to be fixed. But as far as that goes, they do have a sleeping app. If you choose to sleep with your watch, you can track the amount of times that you woke up, that you're in deep sleep, and how much hours of sleep that you got. Other than that, I give this watch a plus. I'm so grateful that this can jumpstart and motivate me for my fitness goals this year. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.